Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate cypress into ionic project. Okay, first I have already set up an ionic project which contain login page. Here I have already run the development server, ionic serve, and uh, here is the page we are going to test. Okay, uh, now the first step is we're going to install cypress and then install cypress. Okay, we have already installed cypress, and the next step is open the cypress. Okay, we are going to open the cypress inside our project for the first time. Okay, here it is the uh, cypress interface. On the first time it runs inside our project, it will create this file cypress.json and cypress folder which contain uh, this folder fixture integration package and support. Our testing file will be inside this integration. We can check this example, and now we are going to remove this example folder. Okay. Move to trash, and then we create our testing file. We are going to name it ionic spec.js. Okay, here it is our testing file, and then we are going to write our first test. This is our first test. It will just going to visit our development server. Save, and then we check in here. We click our spec files to so that Cypress will run our test. Okay, this is the new browser opened by Cypress, automatically open after we click our testing file. Okay, this is the test running, our test run by Cypress. Okay, load, successfully load. This is our page displayed here. Next step is we are going to try add new test. This it should redirect to login page function. Should include in the URL should include login page. Save. Sorry. Save. here we have this our new testing. So right there. Okay, all the test is passed, and then now we are going to write. We have install, open, remove, creating our test file. um, Trying to write new testing, and we are going to write all the tests. Okay, first we are going to setting the configuration so that we have this development server URL. We tell the shepherd to use this URL. Open the cypress.json, write the configuration, and then we write the all tests here. Okay. We have a wrong address here in Cypress, so that Cypress cannot connect. See, we see that Cypress always doing refresh the project if we doing change in our test. Okay, this all the tests run by the Cypress. I'm going to explain more detail about Cypress testing in the next video. In this video, I will more focus on how to set up Cypress inside in a Ionic project. Okay. Now I'm going to close this testing. Control C. We are going to try running Cypress headless, and then using uh, headed with browser, and integrating using npm script. First, after we have already configured our testing using Cypress and Ionic, we can directly run this site. Cypress run sorry, we just can using this because by default Cypress will run hitless without opening browser. I will continue this video in the next video because we have a 10-minute limitation in our screencastify.